Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, Radioflyerrick with FPV Mini. Thanks for stopping in to the YouTube channel here. I'd appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button down there. That would really help me out so I can get my own URL, and I'll also be able to tell you about some new cool stuff coming out. I do kind of different kind of reviews, different things. This is actually going to be a comparison review as I found something out about this really cool quad. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the quad, and then I'm going to explain about the night vision mode that I found. This is the Diatone Airblade Intrepid V2 freestyle 3-inch quad. As you can see, it has the removable arms. In case you break one, you could replace that. It's really, really nice. As you can see, it's a 150 millimeter wheelbase right there. Weighs about 156 grams total. And the FC is the Mamba F405 Mini MK2 stack, which is also comes with the Mamba 25 amp ESC. And the FPV is a TBS Unify transmitter there, which gives you a pretty good distance, up to 500 milliwatts. Also, it has the antenna, has one of those really nice TBS Pro antennas. I love it. It's really awesome, you guys. What an incredible flying machine this is. This is a PMP model, so all I did was I went ahead and put an XM, FR Sky XM satellite receiver in there, which then I just kind of went and put it in the back here, so this way it's all nice in there without hitting the blades. I did not change any of the flight settings. Now what you're looking at here is two different videos. One is the video that I recorded through my goggles. So when you look at this, keep in mind that this is goggle video. My DVR and my goggles is not that great. I'm running a, I fly with the Aomway V2, Commander V2s, and for some reason the DVR breaks up a lot like that. I'm not sure why, and it's a little bit extra grainy. But inside my goggles, I'm getting a crystal clear view, and these both are night vision. This is from the 4K camera right here, right there, and then this is what I'm getting out of my goggles. Now, as you can see how bright that is. Now, what I did was, this doesn't come on an auto mode automatically. The default setting is daytime. So what I did was, I tried to fly it at night. It was very dark, and I was like, wow, it didn't really work that great, and I didn't want to risk it. And then somebody said, yeah, but there's a night mode on the Tarsier 4K camera. And I said, no way, really? And it's like, yeah, you should check it out. So what I did was, it comes with one of those little joystick that you can plug right into the little plug right there. As you can see, there's a little plug. You just pull that out from the bottom, you plug that in, and you click it and get in your goggles after you plug it in, and you'll go down 2 notches, and it'll say day and night. Now what I did was I switched it to auto so that I would be able to see the transition between the dark camera and the night camera, the night vision mode, as it switches back and forth. I wanted to see how much change there was and if it was going to affect my flying. I do have a RunCam Owl V2 that I've been using on one of my builds, and I have to say that when I put it in auto, it flips into black and white mode when it goes into night vision. But if you're looking at this video, it never goes to black and white fully. It actually stays very clear, and when you're going through the trees, when I'm flying through that little patch of trees, it's very, very dark. There's no lights in there at all. So what you're seeing here is going through like really dark area, and it's not breaking down into a black and white picture. It's actually staying color. Now keep in mind, in my goggles I'm seeing very crystal clear vision. It's not broke up like that. It's very clear. So I was really impressed with that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up there, put both of these up there on your screen side by side, so that you'll be able to see this on your screen, what I'm talking about and how amazing the night vision is on this line. I mean, it was black in those trees, and I thought there was a light in there. That's how amazed I was, that I was like, wow, there must be a light in there somewhere. And when I took the goggles off and I looked over there, it was completely dark. So let's go ahead and jump into that footage. And then I got some day footage just so you guys could see the quality of that 4K camera. Just amazing. And what a great looking little quad this is, right guys? Man, I got you. Diatone really is coming up with some amazing little quads, and this one is no exception. The only thing I did for this quad different, guys, is I changed the props. I like a little steeper angle on my prop when I do freestyle flying and proximity flying for a little more control. And so, you know, by the way, these are great little motors, very powerful, little 4,000 kV motors on this thing, which is really nice and gives you plenty of power, plenty of punch out. And 4S, I've been flying with a Lumineer 700 milliamp 4S battery, and I also have been flying with a couple of Tattoo 850 milliamp 4S batteries. And what videos that you're seeing here is a 650 3S battery, and I also have one which I will be showing you. The day flight is with the 4S battery. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel so this way I can get my own URL, and plus you guys will be able to see when new comparison videos and stuff like that come out. And give me a like if you like the video too. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and jump into the video now.